Alaria esculenta is an important edible seaweed found along the coast in the north of Atlantic Ocean. Is a large brown algae that grows on rocks where the water temperature does not exceed the 16 degrees Celsius. It is rich in sugars, proteins, vitamins and other trace metals. Dew is high content in macro and micronutrients. Alaria is a very interesting matrix to screening for biological compounds. To obtain these compounds is necessary to do an extract. This will lead to compounds of interest more available and in higher concentration. To do the screening were made 5 different types of extracts. All the extract were made with green solvents and methods that allow the future use for human consumption. The material needed is Alaria esculenta dried and milled, distilled water, alkylase, cellulase and viscozyme enzymes. A bead mills and standard laboratory material. For the aqueous extract, start by adding 75 milliliters of water to a beaker in a magnetic stirring. Add the dried Alaria and heat up the mixture to 50 degrees Celsius. Incubate in dark for 24 hours. For the preparation of the 3 different enzymatic extracts, alkylase, cellulase and viscozyme were used. Start by adding 75 milliliters of water to a beaker in a magnetic stirring. Add the dried Alaria and heat up the mixture to 50 degrees Celsius. Let temperature equilibrate for 10 minutes and adjust the pH to the optimum for the enzyme at use. Add 150 milligrams of enzyme and incubate in dark for 24 hours. Increase the temperature to between 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. And incubate for 10 minutes to inactive the enzyme. For the bead mill extraction, add to each mill capsule 20 grams of glass beads and 800 milligrams of dried Alaria. Add 20 milliliters of water. Start the mill at 30 Hz for 1 hour. For all the processes, the next step is centrifuge the mixture at 5000 G for 10 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Filter the supernatant under vacuum with glass fiber filter. Adjust the pH to 7 and freeze the solution at -80 degrees Celsius. Lastly, freeze dry the extracts.
Seafood Age. Smart food choices, no matter how old you are.